What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Back over here at the shop, B&K Performance, working on this hot rod again. We got some work we got to do to it. I am quickly finding out that doing chassis work is not my cup of tea. This is very difficult, very time consuming, and it takes a lot of effort. So today what we're trying to do, our main goal is to get the plates welded onto the rocker panels, and that's going to support the back rocker panel there so I can put the crossbar in. That's the goal tonight. Guys, you also be good to know I did wear my PPE today. I had on my safety glasses and I had on my coronavirus protection, which also doubled tonight as a dust protection. And right now I don't have snotty boogers, but I also haven't been welding on it or grinding on it very long. Zach's over here helping, Willie's over here hanging out. Go check out their YouTube channels as well. Zach's got Foolproof Performance. What's yours now, Willie? Full Spool Performance. Yeah. Hey, that was close enough. Full Spool Racing. That's what I said. That's exactly what I said. Full Spool Racing. Full Spool Racing. I said performance the other night too, and I edited it out. And there's Brantley hanging out. What's yours, Willie?
Stage Lane Productions.
Stage Lanes Productions. He's out. He's doing a lot of racing footage as well. So y'all go check him out. Go subscribe. But we got this done. I got my plates cut over there. So we're fixing to tack these on, weld that on, and once we get that on, then we'll get the bar on in the back here, and we'll be set for the back, get ready for the 4-link. I don't know if that's gonna go on tonight or not. Hopefully so. Boy, this is hard work. Oh my goodness, I'm tired. Zach hanging out, still helping. Everybody else is gone. Brian is still here, but everybody else has hit the road. So we got our crossbar in. So we got everything. So tonight, this is day number 2. Man, I'm tired. This is hard work. I mean, doing this chassis work is hard. And I know I would imagine you would get a little bit better as you go along. But wow, we started off TIG welding those plates in over there on the side, and it was going pretty good. But then it was going really, really, really slow because I'm not very good at TIG welding yet. And so we grabbed the MIG welder, and the MIG welder went much better. And so all this is mild steel, so we went ahead and MIG welded all this in, all the crossbar. Oh my goodness, you see me? So crossbar is in it. So we're just talking about 4-link placement on where that's going to go on the bar. And Brian was showing us he's got a piece of brake line, and you can kind of bend the bars how you're going to do it. So that's our game plan, is to do that sometime next week. So this is day number 2. So maybe next time I'm going to take I got to get the ladder bar still off of the other rear end. So once I get the ladder bar off the other rear end, then I can know exactly where my 4-link brackets are going. Maybe I should put those on first. I need to talk to Brian and see how he normally does it. But we got it in, so I'm really happy we got this thing, the crossbar in at least. It's starting to resemble a race car. But, it's one of those things, it's coming, but it's very difficult. I'm tired, and the more I sit and work on this thing, the more I go, maybe I should just leave my copper car together and not take it apart. I don't know what to do. I mean, we've made some progress here, but I could probably sell this thing. It's probably worth less now than what I paid for it, though, since I've cut the whole back of the cage out of it. But we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, y'all comment, like, and subscribe later. Don't forget to go to Zach's page, too. Full Spool Racing. Got it right. because I went slow and waited for him. Later.